Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, this is going to be an unboxing video of one of the mystery design kits from the Softflex Company. I do some designing for them with their kits. So, they sent me yet another beautiful kit. And this one is called Make a Wish. Okay. And this kit should be available on the website. You can check out softflexcompany.com. And they have the mystery design kits every month, and it's a different theme every month. And this month is called Make a Wish. Okay. And so here are all the contents of what's in the kit. And I will just hold it here so you can check it out. Looks like you get some sterling silver stuff in there. Ooh, that's fabulous. Silver plated, silver metallic. Check. I love that. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. And these are the beads and these are the findings. So you can check out the website and they retail for $33.95. Okay, and it's a new one every month. So you get a whole new thing, a whole new kit every month. And it's great because you get all kinds of goodies in each kit and they're curated kits. Okay. So you probably have enough stuff in this kit to make, I don't know, 4 or 5 pieces of jewelry. I've said that before in the videos I've done for them. You get a nice amount of stuff in each kit, and you can mix and match with each of your kits as well. So yeah, I will put all their links down in the description. Check out their Facebook page. They post all kind of tutorials and how-tos on their Facebook page. They have a YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to their YouTube channel so you can get updates on new products and new designs and things like that. So I will post all of those links down in the description. All right. And yeah, so this is going to be a really cute kit. We're going to check out what's inside. All right. I'm just looking over the particulars to see if there's anything else I need to say. I need to tell you. I think that's it. If I think of something else, I'll just put it at the end. All right. So let's go ahead and open the kit. All right. This is Make a Wish. So let's put this aside. And also when you get order a kit, you get a coupon in there to use for your next purchase. So that's great, right? You get a new coupon in there. You can put towards your purchase. So that's always nice. So let's go ahead and open it. It comes beautifully wrapped. We love that, right? So let's go ahead and take this off. Okay. And let's do the unboxing here. They have all kinds of beautiful things on their website, beads and bindings and wire, all kinds of stuff. So definitely check it out. Okay, so look at that. Ooh, all right. Look at the beads. Really nice. That's how it comes. Really cute. Packed very nicely. All right, so let's put this aside. And let's go ahead and open it. You get some medium wire, dark blue, lapis color. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that blue. That's pretty. Very pretty medium wire. So that's nice. Let's see what else you get in here. Here are the findings. Let's see. Let's open these. I love this pendant here. This is beautiful. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know, y'all. We'll see what we can make here. Really, really cute. And all you need is your tools, and you can add anything else in your stash that you have that you want to make, some projects with. So it comes with this really beautiful pendant. Okay. That's really pretty. And my camera won't focus. Yeah, it comes with this beautiful pendant. And then you get some ear wires, ear hooks. So you get 2 pairs of ear hooks. Okay. And then you get a clasp, a lobster claw, if I can talk. Look at this one. It says 1,000 wishes on the back of that. That's so pretty. Wow. Very, very pretty. I like that. Very pretty. Watch this in full screen if you want to see anything up close because my camera's not focusing. It's not behaving today. I have to fix it. All right. So let's check these beads. Oh, okay. These are cool. So again, let's look at our list and see what we have here. All right. So you get the discs. These are the discs, cobalt blue check glass discs. All of these are check glass beads, y'all. All of these are check glass beads. So you get these in the kit. That's really cute. Cute earrings, I think. You get these beautiful, like floral type in there. Really nice. All right. You get these. Okay. Look at the stars. Oh, they're so pretty. Really pretty. And then you get the these check glass beads. Okay. Really pretty. This color's really pretty. Right? So you get those, and then you get these ones. Beautiful. I believe these are glass daggers. Yes. So you get the daggers in there. So you're getting like four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, technically 5 things of beads. And well, 6 really, because you're getting the Jesse James Make a Wish bead mix. Right? Really, really pretty. Really pretty. So in the next video, I'm going to open it up and we're going to try to make just a little something. I don't know what I'm going to make. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But it's really pretty. Beautiful colors. Wow. I love these bead mixes. They're really, really pretty. They're really nice. You can mix and match these with a lot of different things. So really cute. All right. So that's what comes. Oh, and then you get some, I believe these are sterling silver crimp tubes. Right? I love that. I love. Okay. Very, very nice. Okay. I'm just reading here. Jesse James bead mix, metallic glass bead, polished beads, clasp, silver plated lobster claw, and the medium wire. Yeah, so you get all this in a kit. That's really good. Like I said, you usually can make, anywhere from 4 to 6 pieces of jewelry with this stuff, depending on how you use it. You can make a lot of earrings. You can make some bracelets, a necklace, and a couple pairs of earrings. So it just depends. I tend to like choker necklaces, so that's what I kind of love to make, or like bracelets or whatever. So that's the current kit that they sent me, Make a Wish. All right. So go ahead to the softflexcompany.com website if you want to purchase this. All right. And, every month there's a new kit. So at some point it's going to be sold out. And then you're just going to have to, get another one. But they're amazing every month, really. I mean, I've had several of them and they're great. So, and yeah, and then of course you get your $5. If you buy one, you get your $5 for your next purchase. So that's great. All right. So I thank the Softflex Company for sending this to me again. I love designing for them. And stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. All the links you need will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.